This is the Ring Doorbell Pro 2. The only main features I'm upgrading from the Ring Pro 1 is the better quality in image resolution, the fisheye lens for wider image, and better connectivity. Inside the box you will get instructions which are pretty straightforward on how to install. All mounting screws and screw to screw is provided with cable clips. For a particular side area that you want to cover, you can mount the camera on this side plate. This was the old screwdriver for the Pro 1, now it's been upgraded to this one. You will also get a plug-in adapter which makes life easier. A lovely sleek and slim design like the Pro 1. Can't see any difference, but overall it's looking good. Now to wire this up, all you do is slot in the two cables and tighten up the screws. I don't think it matters which wire goes to which screw. It's a simple plug and play. Now if you watch my previous Ring video, I go through the setup in more detail, including the chime.
Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Scan your QR code located on the box. Turn on your location and simply follow the steps to connect.
Ring doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Once connected, it will take up to 15 minutes until you can start using the device.
Apps flashing, it's ready to use.
You get up to 30 days of free subscription of their services. A few settings I recommend you changing is to turn on the HDR. This will give you rich colors and slightly more image clarity. Turn on the color night vision. And increase the video length by 2 minutes. Just to let you know, you will only get the full range of the lens when you're in a vertical format. In horizontal, you will lose a portion of the coverage from the top and bottom. Okay, there we are. Can you hear me from all the way down there? I'm sure you can. I can hear myself quite clearly from all the way down here. That is quite impressive. The night vision, I can say it has improved slightly in the clarity than the Pro 1. So overall guys, the three main reasons why I upgraded from the Pro 1 is improved clarity image, better connectivity performance in terms of answering the door, audio quality which has improved the camera functionality, and finally a wider angle view. Take care guys, peace.